Corey, it's Amanda here at Eastside Dodge, and your salesman Terry asked me to send you a short video of the vehicle you're interested in, so I hope you like it. This 2013 Ram 1500 Sport comes equipped with a 5.7-liter V8 Hemi engine with an automatic transmission, bifunction halogen headlamps, power-heated manual folding side mirrors, chrome side steps, a trailer hitch receiver, and a bright white exterior. Some of the features include power locks and windows, a remote start, outside temperature display and compass gauge, steering wheel mounted audio controls with cruise control, a push button start, and a touchscreen media center with AM/FM radio, Sirius satellite radio, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth, air suspension, an Alpine premium audio system, a backup camera with park assist, navigation, a 115-volt auxiliary outlet, air conditioning with dual-zone temperature control, and a sunroof. And the interior features an all-leather trim seating with heated and ventilated front seats and a heated steering wheel. Well, Corey, thank you for watching this video. We really hope it helps. If you have any questions at all or you'd like to take this truck for a test drive, please contact Terry Langdon. By the way, you can find all of Terry's contact information in the About section below this video. We hope you have a great day, and we can't wait to see you here at Eastside Dodge.